took some radically bad driving in order for it to go off. Yep. Yeah.
I'll try this at home.
All right. So what happens is, as it's at the very edge of needing more, but not so bad that it's like drained, that's when it does it. If it was completely drained, it would just do it once and you're done. But when it's right near the edge, it's like, it's fine right now. I do a little bit of this, there it goes. The washer fluid dance in the LS430. That's what that is. Don't worry about spilling. Let's see how much it takes.
Oh.
This is like a gallon. I usually like to pour it not near our house, as I don't know how dangerous this is for pets, but we're in the driveway and the pets don't go in the driveway, so. I know, it's exciting. You think it's full, but it just needs to regurgitate some. It's like the gas tank in this car, it's huge.
Everything's huge in this car. Oh, it's gonna take it all.
Yeah. Full gallons worth of windshield washer fluid. Oh, there we go. Oh, would you like a swig?
No,
there we go. Would you like a swig? Are you sure?
That
All right, that is that.
is that.